We're at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. We're in TJ Maxx, the toy section. What is this? Amazing Toy Mystery. Unbox 5 toys for $6. Possible toys: Putty, Bubbles, High Bounce Ball, Chalk, Puffer Chick, Bee Toy, Squish Toy, Puzzle Maze, Jackson Ball, Jump Rope, Squishy, Mushy, Turtle Squish, Splat Egg, Popper, Skateboard, or a Water Snake. That's cool. Oh, Maddie, this is what you got.
What?
You got that. Oh, here goes some. Look, guys, we found Popits.
That's not the same one.
It looks like there's 3 in here. I heard you.
This isn't the same.
What is this? A BFF Popit. It looks like a puzzle piece. So far, we found 1 Fidget. What is it? Let's see what else we can find. I kind of want to get this, but I kind of don't. This is our first time looking at the toys at... This is like summer stuff. Any more fidgets? Guys. Oh, guys, look! Maddie, look! All the fidgets! Look, guys! Oh, look at this! Maddie! Look, guys, they have a magical vibe Popit. This is $10. Oh, this one was $3.99. They have this one for $3.99. I think this is LOL for $3.99. They have a butterfly for $3.99. So most of these are $3.99. This one. They have multiples of these. A fidget bracelet Popit, $7.99. And then they have game edition Popits. So this is $10. You get 3 Popits, a controller, a sword, and like a game board part. Look at this, Maddie. This is Spring Fever. You get roller skates, a little lava lamp, and oh, this one has heart Popits. This is $10. And then they have this one. Oh, this one is cool. And that's $10 as well. And then they have the football, the sports bundle. That's $10. They have a blue one. It has the Among Us Popit. It's so small. You can't really hear the pop. And they have this one. And they have this one, and a purple one, and like a tie-dye one. I see. You don't take care of yours. They have Baby Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And these are $3.99. Some are dead. And they have tie-dye, rainbow, and they have Stitch for $3.99. That's so cool. So if you guys don't know, TJ Maxx sells Popits. They're kind of cheap. They have this army one for $3.99. And they have some medium. These are called jumbo. So they have 100 Popits 100 pops on this one. And then they have the rainbow one. And this one glows in the dark. That's $7.99. And then they have these, you guys. Look at these. Look. This is a... What is this? Oh, a chocolate... Oh, it's chocolate bunny scented. Oh, these Popits are scented, you guys. These Popits have scents to them. We have a bunny. This one is glow in the dark. We have a glitter heart. Oh, this smells like fruit punch. That is so cool. And then they have that one. That's marshmallow. This smells like marshmallow chicks. And they have this one. Has no scent, but it is. Oh, it's an emoji Popit. Oh, they have a reindeer. That is so cute. And then we have one that smells like berry cooler. And this has 100 pops to it as well. And that's all I have. Oh wait, what is this? We have this. Is that a bag?
Yeah.
And then we have this. This has 3 Popits in it. And this is $7.99. Look guys, they have a bag or a pouch.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Is it like a Popit first, like being lit? Oh, you have to open it. Oh, they have Squishmallows. This is Philip.
This is a Squishmallow.
He's like a one of those pillow
Look at
ones.
this one.
Stackable.
And that one.
This is a best friend one? No.
Look at.
Oh, this is part of the Valentine's Day squad. Why can't I open it? Oh, look, he's friends with Maya. Maddie? Maya. But the Valentine's Day one. What's this? Twizzlers?
Yeah, they're friends.
Kisses.
These guys are friends.
They are?
Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah, they are. They're so cute. I like that one.
I like this one. We're going to Five Below next. We're going to Five Below next. See you at Five Below.